Hey, this is Dr. Torchio from Pangea Chiropractic. I have an amazing model with me today. Really what we want to do is we want to share with you how important chiropractic is for kids. It changes their life, and I tell parents, chiropractic for kids is as important as brushing their teeth. I actually believe it's more important because their spine contains their nerves, which really control their whole body. So I'm going to show you how easy an adjustment is, right, sweetie? How easy an adjustment is. I'm going to let you know what we're doing so that you can see how calm and chill this whole process is. So what I'm doing is I'm checking her leg length as she's laying relaxed. This helps us understand the torsion on the muscular system all the way up to the neck. So if there's imbalances all the way down at the feet, we know that there's twisting and rotating in the pelvis. So you ready, sweetie? And the adjustment doesn't take much more than the amount of pressure to make your fingernail change color. So it's really a gentle process. Sometimes the bones do make a little click sound, but most of the time in kids it doesn't. The youngest children that we adjust here are just less than a day old. There we go, sweetie pie. Good job. Can you turn your head this way? Can you turn your head that way? Hey, say cheese. Cheese. Now turn your head this way. And the reason I'm having her turn her head back and forth is so that I can find subluxations, misalignments in her neck, which create muscle tone in the body. Okay, put your head back to the middle. You're doing so good. Can you take a big breath for me? And all the way out. Good, little tiny pressure. Good job, that's it. These are the nerves in her middle back that control her lungs and heart. That's why when kids have asthma, a chiropractic office is a good place to start. Getting the nerves cleared up that go to her lungs. And then she does have a misalignment at the top of her neck. So we're gonna use this instrument, it's called an activator. And this instrument sends a simple impulse into the body. I say simple, but it's very powerful. It allows the bones to shift back into place to remove the nerve interference. You ready, honey? Mm-hmm. You feel a click right here. You can be brave. Good job. Mm-hmm. Okay, one click. Good job. You survived that, huh, sweetie? You did so good. Can you take a big breath? And all the way out. Good, little tiny nudge. Good job, sweetie pie. Okay, so just like that, she had an awesome and amazing adjustment. You want to get up and say hi to everyone? Can you say hi to everyone?
Indeed. No.
This is Dr. Torchio from Pangea Chiropractic. And if you want to get your kid checked out here, we'd love to say hi to them and help them get healthy and or stay healthy for life. Bye-bye.